Hey, fuck yes, I got this. Jose Luzardo, rookie card, and a coin card. It's kind of cool. This is right here. It's a TBC JL. Jose Guerrero, Oakland Athletics. I think it was a relief pitcher and then became a starter. Congratulations, you have received a Combination Topps coin card from Topps 20 Upper Deck. Oh, I feel special. So it's kind of cool. These kind of things make it worth. Even you're not a big fan of the player or you don't know anything about the player, it's kind of cool to get these kind of cards. I guess like when I see different types, kind of makes it worth getting cards, especially at top updates. I really don't buy cards after around around this time of year or this decade, but I like buying cards at the 80s because I know a lot more than the players. But it's really cool to get these kind of cards. You know what I mean? Go to Target, it's like woo. Especially when Chico sucks trying to get cards. So it's kind of unique. It's kind of keep it perfect. But it's really cool. So what do you think about this card? Do you have this in your own collection? Let me know. We try different things for this video, this channel. Um, some that'd be famous. You be part of my fan club. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.